Hello, good afternoon. I'm going to show you how to prepare the CDs to be put in communal area. The easy way of doing it, the way I did it. So first of all, you take any gift box. Gift box have a very nice looks. They are ideal for CDs. So in my case, I took a gift box from the perfume, and this is ideal box. You open up a box, and I suggest cutting this part, and this gives you ability to adjust the height. So in the final result, you'd be able to adjust the height and the visibility of your CDs, and the CDs will go over here. Then you can type on a computer essentially the key points of the speaker. In this case, this is Rabbi and exactly what it contains. Each CD contains 30 hours of Shurim in Hebrew. It's very important to point out in what language, to make sure that only speakers of the language take these CDs, and important to point out the length, to make sure people understand it. And now another vital point is that I put a sticker on top and at the bottom to show speakers, to show people that the CDs have been sponsored, so they are valuable. They're not free, but they have been sponsored. So I wrote, these CDs have been sponsored for the benefit of the Kehillah. Please feel free to take, and the key information. So this is very easy to do, and then you can go to your local synagogue, you can go to your local grocery shop, and then you can put this at a visible angle, which is around 45 degrees, and this creates a very great presentation, very nice, neat, and a nice box. So essentially you would need to get any gift box and scissors. Make sure to cut the bottom part and write to make sure you tell people it's free, but it's not free, meaning it's been sponsored. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you'll use it for Kiruv purposes.